We've been talking about Relebohile Mofokeng as the talent for the future, and in 2026, the future has arrived. With the Betway Premiership on its boiling point right now, there's only one man that stands above everyone. But we're going to be looking at the stats, the tactics, and the facts that proves why he isn't just a young player of the season, but a footballer of the season. This is Inside Buccaneers here on Impact Play, and my name is Popkiss. Welcome to the show. So let's just look at numbers, because the thing I like about numbers don't lie. So we're going to be looking at the chance he created this season. The chance he created this season, after 19 games, he created 59 chances. And I'm just talking about out of the 9 chances, he's created 59 chances, and no one has created chances like that in the PSL this season. So when you're looking at that, you're looking at a goal contribution that is actually has this season so far, because the season is not finished yet, which is the 12th goal contribution. And the man that is above him on goal contribution is Ikram Reyners. And when you're looking at the numbers as well, you're looking at the expected passes of 6.3, and we're going to talk about that later. But now, I want to talk about this thing. I think when you're looking at really this season, he's the guy that we've seen him a couple of years now in the PSL. We know exactly the talent that he brings, and everyone that knows really, he knows exactly that. We know really that he used to play on the left-hand side and now he's playing in the middle of the park. But with the chances that he created this season, it's him trying to prove that I am the guy that made things happen. And I told you that really every time he plays that number 10 position, I feel like he's more dangerous. And I feel like when you're going to give really a credit this season, there is only one guy also that deserves the credit. And I'm talking about Abdesalam Wadu. He's the guy that has been giving really that opportunity to actually go and play in the 10th position. And when they asked him, he said the good thing about having really in the middle of the park is because of his vision, and he get the space to actually look on the right, look on the left, and actually go through the defense and make the right decision. And I think if you actually remember him prior to this season, even the season before last season, there is a time where when he drops in deep inside the field and then he created those chances, the runs that he makes, the passes that he actually pulled through on that center of the pitch, he's actually amazing. And I think when you're looking at the chance created of 59, you're like, okay, if these guys up front, they don't miss these chances, how many goals and assists will be this guy in? Because he's also made some couple of them. But I think right now, when we're talking about the informed man that is doing everything, it's Relebohile Mofokeng. Think about this. He's now the back-to-back player of the month. And ever since we resume our competition, PSL this season, actually this year, 2026, he's been winning player of the match for 3 times in a row. And I'm telling you, he's going to come back and put another big performance that will give him another man of the match. And I think the way and the pace is going at right now, there is only one man that can compete with him on big chance created, which is 10. It's Austin Apolis. He's also created 10 big chances. And I'm sure when I'm talking about the big 10 chances and 59 chance created, you kind of confused. So 59 is the chances that he created. They are not big, it's just chances that were able to end up as a goal if someone maybe took them or something. But now, with the big chance created of 10, it's when Mofokeng is just decide that he will put the ball on the silver platter of the strikers. They just need to just finish. They don't need to do anything, they need to finish. I'm talking about that. 10 clear-cut chances, the big one that he created this season. And the only man that can talk to him based on that will be Austin Apolis. And then you're looking at the 6.3 of the expected passing. I think the expected pass rate of 6.3 is actually big, because no one actually get closer to that, because he's the guy that is always trying to break the defense. And when we move that pass and break the defense line, that pass always find a man that will run free and do whatever he wants with the ball. So I feel like he's been a good playmaker for us. And looking at Bafana going into the World Cup, he's the guy that now we are looking at to see if he's going to help us with something. But now he deserves the player, footballer of the season, with the way he's been playing. Even though the season is not finished, and I know the debate has started and a lot of people are saying they are people, but I think my top 3 will be Relebohile Mofokeng, Austin Apolis, and Ikram Reyners. But now Relebohile Mofokeng is going with it. But let's talk about Wadu. I think having a coach like Wadu, and I know a lot of people don't like Wadu because of a lot of things. He's been changing teams. They don't know their starting 11. It kind of confuses people. And I'm like, there were times where we knew our starting 11, but we were not winning like this. So I don't know what people are complaining about. But what he did with Mofokeng, he did an amazing job of actually allowing Mofokeng to play on that 10 position and able to actually give him that creative freedom, because what he does when he's on the 10 position, he's the most dangerous player in the PSL. Because on the 10 position, he is able to see runs that other people don't see. Like if you remember the runs in the cup final that we were playing against Sundowns, Stellenbosch as well, couple of games, there's a time where he came back from injury and gave Mbutuma a nice pass, and then Mbutuma just trap and shoot. And then it was just one of those kind of moments that we know that when he comes inside the pitch, he's the guy that is more dangerous because his vision is something else. But we're going to be looking at the facts now. I think the fact is there's no one that is creating closer to what he's creating. The guy that you can actually give the credit to will be Keletso Mahalwa, the Sekhukhune winger. That guy also is up there with the assists because he's trying to push them. But looking at Ikram Reina scoring 10 goals and assisting 3, that's actually big for him as a striker, and he's actually on 13 goal contribution involvement this season. And I'm saying if the numbers is 19 games and 12 goals involvement, I think that's big. The season is not done. There's a lot of games that you still have to play. There's a lot of football that is going to be played, and Mofokeng is healthy and fit right now. So there's a lot that is going to do. And I feel like if you haven't picked him as your guy that is going to win the football of the season, you probably have someone in mind that you need to put down in the comment and tell me who is your footballer of the season this season. But my football of the season will be Mofokeng, with the things that I've just mentioned, of him able to create, of him able being the engine of actually Orlando Pirates. Because think about it, Ikram Reina has got the whole engine behind him of Sundowns, that Sundowns machine, but Relebohile Mofokeng is the engine for Orlando Pirates. I think that's where the difference is, because this one is an engine, this one got the whole engine behind him. So there's a difference. And I think having Apolis there on that list as well, the only thing that Apolis make him not actually a close contender for this one, it's because some of the chances that he missed and some of the games that he didn't even play that well. And there was a time where I thought maybe he's supposed to come off the bench, because coming off the bench, he was giving us more productive than when he started the game, because maybe when he comes on, you have like an idea, you've watched the game, you see how he's going to penetrate the defense and able to cross that ball. Because what I like about him, when he plays on the right, he's able to cross those ball behind the defense, and then the striker just have to put the foot, and then it's the back of the net. And when he's playing on the left, he likes to cut inside, he can shoot, but with his shooting, I'm not convinced. I think that's also another thing that Mofokeng needs to work on, just to take chances. Every chance that falls on you, just take it. Just take all the chances. But by far right now, he's the man that's above everyone. And I know the season is still going, and people might cover him and able to have something to say on the football of the season. But giving Mofokeng the young player of the season for that time won't really be a bad thing. But I'm telling you, going for everything, which is the football of the season, that's where Mofokeng is going. And I think when you're looking at the way Pirates play, if Pirates go all the way and win all this game, the man that will be behind all those wins will be Relebohile Mofokeng, because the future that we've been talking about has arrived. And I know all the Orlando Pirates fans are like, please God, let him perform well in the Bafana, but we don't want him to leave right now. We really don't want Mofokeng to leave right now, but I'm telling you, Mofokeng is standing in a good chance to win the footballer of the season. If you disagree with me or you agree with me, we have a comment section below where you can tell me your thoughts. Do you have your own footballer of the season, or you agreeing with me, or maybe you still gonna think about it? But it's been nice chatting with you, and if you've been watching the video till this far, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and then I will see you on the next one. Up the Bucks once, always.